Oh my gosh, this is so awesome! Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Alrighty, today we are doing the second unboxing. Yes, the second one. Today is Tuesday. I made you wait a couple of days. Today's not really Tuesday. Today is, Saturday, but we're doing two in one day, so we're gonna knock this out, and so I will be prepared, so I will not miss another upload. I'm staying on schedule for you guys. But today we have another awesome unboxing because I got them both in the same day, which is really awesome. And I got them actually in pretty good timing. So this is BoxyLuxe, but I have not looked or anything. And this box, let's point out the box. This is way different than the last ones. They're usually like massive, but they're like bigger around, and this one is just more fat. So that's interesting. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh, we got a makeup bag. Okay, this is what comes in it. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this box. Okay. Okay, this is a makeup bag. How awesome is this? It's like holographic almost. This is so awesome. This is, oh, that's so pretty. It's kind of like a faux leather feeling. And it is, look, it says BoxyCharm. Oh my gosh. Ew, it smells. Ew, it stinks. And it's the BoxyCharm tag. So this is like made for BoxyCharm. It's got that nasty, plasticky, new plastic smell. It's nasty. That's really, really awesome. This is called the BoxyCharm Train Case, and this is $20 retail. All right, oh my gosh, this is one of the things I'm like freaking out about. I was gonna do a whole video on this too. Okay, so this is Lily lashes. I cannot believe we got Lily lashes. These are like, they're $30 lashes, and I was like, seriously, I had these in my cart, the Miami style, which is like the most popular. I have been wanting to try them. Oh my goodness. This says they're $24.99, but on their website, it's like $30 a pair. But this says faux mink, and these, my North Carolina is kicking in. Reusable, blah, 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 cruelty free. That's all you need. They are gorgeous. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. I'm like overwhelmed. Okay, so this is, oh, I'm so happy right now. Okay, Iconic London, crap. Eyebrow cushion. Oh, I remember this. They were talking about this. I've been wanting, this is one of the things I was also excited for. There's so much good stuff in this box. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Okay. How cute. So it comes with this little thing. You have your little tool, so it's like a spoolie, or the little, and it opens up like that. How cool is that? Little skinny brush for your eyebrows. And then you open this up, and it's like that. What is this? Let's lift this up. Ooh, what? It's like a sponge. Okay, that's interesting. I was not expecting, I was expecting like a gel. It's a sponge. It's a spongy thing. That's so weird. And there's a dark side and there's a light side. That's really, really cool though. I do not also have a lot of brow products, and I'm definitely always up for trying some new ones. This. Okay, iconic eyebrow. It is a cushion. Duh, cushion. Like a sponge cushion thing. Okay. Got it. $40. And let's see. Oh, this is just medium. It's in the color medium. So there you go on that. My fingerprints all over it. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I'm just gonna stick things in here as I take them out of the box. Okay, this is something else. See, I do watch the spoilers and it just comes back to me as I open it. Okay, sorry, I'm opening the box. I'm getting excited. I didn't show you. Okay, this is it. It Cosmetics. This is developed with plastic surgeons. Clinical results. Confidence in a cream. Transforming, moisturizing super cream, anti-aging armor, rejuvenating concentrate. So, this is what it looks like. Ooh, this is heavy. This is heavy. This is a couple of pounds, I feel like. That's really heavy. For all skin types. Okay, this is super creamy. Okay, let's try. That smells really good. It smells like it smells just like the other face cream we got before. And I can't think of the name of it, but I use it every day. But that's what it smells like, the same. That's interesting. But this is, okay, so this is 2 ounces or 60 milliliters in this container. And it does look like it's full. This is $48. Yeah, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Okay, this is, it's like Christmas. I'm so excited. Okay, Deborah Lip Man. Okay, these look like nail polishes. Modern Love. Alright, so this is the Odana and Modern Love, the two different colors. This retails for $20. This is pretty. So this is called Modern Love. It's like a nude color. And then we have Odana, which is like the glitter that goes on the top. So you have like a matte kind of one, and then you have your glitter. That is super awesome. So we're gonna stick that back in this little container. This is what it looks like. There she is. All right, this is Becca. Ultimate Lipstick Love. Lipstick Love. Oh, it says it's in the color burgundy, so that's the outer packaging. All right, and this is a lipstick. I'm not a big fan of lipsticks, like the sticks, because they don't seem to last as long as the liquid matte ones. But this says it's 8-hour long lasting silky satin lip color infused with next generation of hyaluronic acid. $24 for this. Okay, look how pretty. It says Becca on there. This is so pretty. And it just says burgundy. It's in the color burgundy. Again, it's darker in person than what it's showing on the camera. On there, for some reason, it's looking like a coral. It's more of like a dark mauve. And it's got the magnet, just like the other one we got. Magnetized. And I'm not swatching that because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. There's that. All right, we have Wander Beauty. I love Wander Beauty ever since I tried their mascaras, and I have been using their mascaras, which I'm wearing now, actually. I love them. So anyways, anything with them, I'm just super excited about. Okay, it's a peel-off mask. Not excited about that. Lifts off purifying and brightening peel-off mask. That's scary. I have baby hairs, and last time I used the peel-off mask, I have the video on here. It's actually the main video on my channel. If you go to view my channel. Oh my gosh, it was so painful. I have not used one since. So I might try it, but I'm scared. This is what it looks like. It retails for $34. Rose Gold Skin Saving Peel Off Mask. Dries quickly and peels off effortlessly. Let's see. Maybe this will be a whole nother video just to see if it peels off, or give you guys the entertainment of me ripping my face off again. Stop! Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, so I will say it smells good. Look, it's, oh, that's why they said rose gold. It's like liquid gold. It's almost like a highlight. It's like, or like a shimmery lipstick. Like, look at that. This is more highlighter than the other highlight I just got in the Ipsy. Okay, so, yep, it's definitely drying down and getting sticky, and then you peel it off. So there you go. On to the next one. Okay. Modus Powder and Soft Glow. Now, I'm just gonna say right off the bat, this looks like something from China. I've never heard of Moda. Maybe I'm just not in the loop of things, but just the packaging is really cheap. It's really cheap kind of packaging. This is really strange. Let's see what this looks like. All right, Moda. Interesting. Now this 2-piece set retails for $30. So maybe this is a good brand, and I just don't know what I'm talking about. Just don't mind me. All right, so let's do this. They come in the big package, and then they're also individually wrapped. So you have this one, which I'm not sure what I would do with that. And then you have this one, which is super fluffy blush. Maybe it's not really dense. But it might still be okay for blending. But that is what that looks like. Very nice and soft. So that is awesome. Alright, I think we're getting down. I got 2 more things in here. This is Cover FX. This is not in a box or anything. It's kind of like sitting out here by itself. You have the names of them on the back. This is like heavy. It's a heavy deal plastic. Alright, this is nice. Okay. This is the Perfector Face Palette. There we go. 6 must-have complexion essentials and 1 travel-friendly palette. So this retails for $45. So you got, it says brightener, highlighter, blush, finishing powder, contour, and highlighter, another highlighter. So that's neat how it kind of tells you what each one of them are. And then again on the back you have the names of everything. Again, I'm not swatching this because I'm not sure what to do with it. Alright, and this is the by Cover FX. So yeah, this is $45 worth of stuff. Do you see this? Like, this is a $50 box, is $45. One product covers it. This is what everyone was waiting for. Alright, this is, alright, Morphe palette. I don't have any Morphe palettes. So I am super excited to get this, even though they are more nudes. More nudes. Come on, BoxyCharm, like, give us some color in our life. But this is 15D. It's called the Day Slayer. So blend the rules is what that says right there. Now this is actually packaged like it should, like straight from Morphe, in bubble wrap and everything. Very nice. Oh. Oh, okay. I don't remember seeing this one. I got the orange one. It's all very orange. Look at that. Sorry, reflecting. This one is super orange. Lots of glitters, shimmer shades, and mattes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was like more just the browns, but I might be keeping that. This is like, I'm a fan of orange. I do. Oh, look at that one. look, we gotta swatch. We gotta swatch. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay. Holy crap. Okay, this says it's called In the Crease. Look at the oranges. They are so pretty. Let's put them here. Look at that. Wow. That's so exciting. All right, this retails for $16. It's only $16? What? I thought it would be way more than that. Okay, $16 for the Morphe palette. Small recap real quick and we'll go over the total price of the retail price of everything we got today. So we got the Morphe palette you just saw. You have the Cover FX palette. I guess highlighters and stuff. Wander Beauty peel off mask. We have our Moda brushes. The nail polish. The iconic brow gel cushion stuff. Lily lashes, yes! Oh my gosh. The lipstick from Becca. And finally, the Confidence Cream, a wrinkle cream stuff. And of course, the bag that it all goes in. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is so awesome! Alright. The retail price of everything is $302. $302 for $50. Like, are you serious right now? Go get you this box. Like, seriously, this is so worth it. Every 3 months. Every 3 months. My BoxyCharm link will be below if you want to get your own. Like I said, the normal box is $25. Every 3 months is the $50. This so amazing. Like, wow. This is like the best. This is the best one I think I've gotten. And March is my birthday, so it's like my birthday present. How freaking awesome. So I hope you guys do like it. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this. You like BoxyCharm, you like BoxyLuxe, you like the box. Let me know in the comments below if you got one, what you got that may be like different than mine, because I'm not sure what the variations were besides the Morphe palettes. I know you could get the different ones on that. But yeah, so that's freaking awesome. Don't forget to, if you're not already, subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on my next one on Thursday. I will see you guys on Thursday. Goodbye.